Okay, students, let's start Excel. In our previous lecture, I told you that how many types of formulas we have and what is the basic difference between formula and functions. Simple formula or basic formula. For that, let's move to the Excel. I am going to mute you all. After that, last 5 minutes, I will unmute you again. Till then, please write down the important terms and mark some points which is not clear to you. Okay, beta. Now I'm going to show you how we can use a simple formula in Excel. Let's start. This is our Excel sheet, beta, and I told you before as well in our previous lecture. Again, I am showing it. Suppose we have some names. For the sake of save time, I will use only one letter name, A, B, C, D, E. Suppose we have 5 names, right? And we have some numbers as well, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and anything else which you want. Here I am going to show you the basic formula. With the help of we can calculate these terms, these numbers, right? First of all, I told you that very important step is to use equal to sign before every formula, right beta? And now select the first value like this, and the address automatically came into the formula bar. Now if you want to add them, press plus button and select second value, then plus button, then third value, then plus, then fourth, and then plus, then fifth value. And if you have more than 5 values, you can follow this procedure up to the end, right? And at the last, when you select and give the plus marks, then press enter key like this. When you press enter key, the total of these values automatically came into the selected cell. I hope it is quite easy to you. Now I am going to show you the compound formula so that we can cover some more command as well today. Suppose we want average of it. Average means total is 1500 and I want to know what is the average of it. तो average करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? What is the formula of average? Average is equal to total of values divided by total number of values. I am repeating, total of values divided by total number of values. Now total of values तो हमने formula के अंदर डाल दिया, ये देखो यहाँ पे है ना, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. In our previous lecture, I told you about the cell addresses. We never plus values, we always plus cell addresses. जैसे पहला वैल्यू क्या है 100, C कॉलम में है और 1 रो में है, तो ये C1 हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्या है C2 and the row is the column is C, row is 2. Then it is C2 and C3, C4 इस तरह से, right बेटा? So we always use what? We always use cell addresses, not the value. Okay, and why we use it I will tell you later on. आज ही बताऊंगा इसको भी मैं. तो suppose we want to average, we want to calculate average, then put them into the bracket and at the last press divide sign. In computer we use slash sign, forward slash sign for division. और ये now number of items, how many values or items, how many values we have, 1 2 3 4 5. Now press 5 button and press enter key. Look student, now we have 300. How this 300 came? Our total was 1500 and divided by 5. So 15 divided 5, 3, and 1500 divided by 5, then 300. Right, beta? So in this way, you can use this compound formula, because we have two operators in this formula. Number one is plus and another one is slash. Is it okay, beta? इस तरह से हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. Now came back to the lesson. I told you simple formula and also told you compound formula. In our previous lecture, I told you about the compound interest, simple interest with compound formula. Now, I also told you about how we can add text. So I am repeating again this command because of some new student also joined with us today, which were not in our previous lecture. But after it, I will never repeat, because if we repeat it again and again, then our syllabus will never move on. Okay, so suppose here I write the, and in next century, and in next school, right? And I want to add them in this cell. तो क्या करना होगा? वही इक्वल टू साइन, फिर यहां पे आ गया, सिलेक्ट किया और एंड साइन लगा दिया आपने. एंड साइन ये कहां से आता है? इट विल कम विद 7 नंबर की. अल्फाबेट कीज के ऊपर जो नंबर कीज होती हैं ये उनमें मिलेगा, और शिफ्ट के साथ ये आपको प्रेस करना होगा. यू हैव टू प्रेस विद शिफ्ट की टू print this symbol. Again like this, and again like this, and press enter key. Now you can see beta, all three values are connected, right? But there is no gap. तो ये गैप बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसके अंदर जाओ and press one space. Look now you can understand the power of AND. In this way, you can check the power of AND symbol. This is the formula. Select one cell after equal to sign. Equal to sign is must. Without it, no formula will work. Let me show you. Suppose I am deleting this equal to sign, and after that, nothing will come. है ना? It is only just like a data for it, not a formula. तो इसको formula बनाने के लिए क्या करना होगा? We have to put equal to sign. Now you can see the difference.